In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to Life360. First, let's get started by opening the Life360 app on your device. You will see a clean, user-friendly interface designed for easy navigation. The app icon is typically bright and recognizable, making it easy to find on your home screen. As the app loads, you will notice the main dashboard, which displays your current location and that of your circle members. This is the starting point for managing your circle and ensuring everyone stays connected. Opening the app is crucial because it allows you to access all the features necessary for adding a new person to your circle. Next, you will need to choose the circle you want to add someone to. Look for the option that says Open Your Circle. It is usually located prominently within the app's main screen. Tap on this option and you will be directed to a list of members currently in your circle. This step is important because it ensures you are adding someone to the correct group, especially if you have multiple circles for different groups of people like family or friends. Once you've selected the right circle, you'll be ready to proceed to the next step. Now scroll to the bottom of the member list. You will see various options related to your circle. This is where you can manage members and adjust settings. It's designed to keep everything organized and straightforward. As you reach the bottom, look for the button labeled Add a Person. This button typically stands out and is easy to identify. Tapping this button is the next crucial action, as it allows you to initiate the process of inviting someone new to your circle. After tapping Add a Person, you will be prompted to choose a messaging app. You can select from options like SMS, WhatsApp, Messenger, or email. Each option is designed to suit different preferences for communication. Choose the app you think the person you are inviting would find most convenient. This flexibility matters because it increases the chances that the invite will be received and acted upon quickly. Once you have selected your messaging app, you are ready to send the invite code. Now send the invite code to the person you want to add. This code is unique and necessary for them to join your circle. Make sure to explain to them how to use the code if they are not familiar. This helps ensure a smooth process for them. It's essential to highlight that the invite code expires after 72 hours. This time limit encourages the person to act quickly, preventing any delays in them joining your circle. Finally, ask the person to open the invite and join your circle. They will need to follow the instructions provided in the message you sent. Once they do, they will enter the invite code, and after a few quick steps, they will be added to your circle. This connection allows everyone to stay updated and aware of each other's locations, enhancing safety and communication. You can reassure them that once they accept the invite, they will be fully integrated into your circle, making it easier for everyone to stay in touch. By following these steps, you have successfully added someone to Life360. Remember, each step is vital for ensuring that your circle remains connected and secure. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.